Alright guys, so let's look at match. Right, so match will only help you to look for an item and then return the position of the item. Right, so you cannot return more than a singular vertical row or a horizontal array. So it doesn't work with table unless you have to combine match with another function. But match on its own only going to return a specific position of an item you're looking for. So take for instance, we want to look for the first name, and to look for this guy, let's say match, right? So then you say match, I'm looking for this guy, here, right? So you can look for this, you can combine everything to say, okay, once you find this guy, then return another row or return another item for me. No, that will not work. You have to look for a specific lookup array. Then let's fix this. Yeah, so F4, just type F4 to fix this, or Fn plus F4 to fix. Then return the exact match, right? Then you are done. So what this will do for you is to give you the position where this is. So it's telling me that molecule is here, position 5. So that means if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is going to be here at position 5. So that is what this guy is going to do for you, right? So it's going to give you a number which represent the position this item was found in the lookup array that you input here. So why do we need match? So to make our lookup reference to be dynamic. Take for instance, now when you were using VLOOKUP, we have to input a hard-coded number to say this is what we are looking for. We need to tell VLOOKUP that this is number of row we want to return. It shouldn't be. If you want to make your lookup reference to be dynamic, then you have to combine it with match. Match is going to help you to say, okay, automatically go and look for this row, then return this row back. So without having to input the number, the particular row you want to or column you want to return. So that is how match will work. So we can get our status there because this will not return a specific name or something, or work with a table array. So that is how you use match. When we use, so in the next video we're going to use VLOOKUP plus match, and then you're going to see the power of match. Alright, so thank you, then I will see you in the next video.